Good morning, student. Hope you all are fine. K-Tech School welcomes you all. So, student, today we are going to continue with the same poem, The Peacock and the Crane. Okay, student, we are going to continue with the same poem. Means we are going to do the question and answers. Okay, the remaining question and answers today I am going to give you. See, which are the questions? See, I am reading the question. Listen carefully. Afterwards, you have to write down these question answers. Okay, student? The first one is, why did the peacock spread his colorful tail? Yes, why? Yesterday only I told you. Why did he spread his tail? Yes, yes, to show off to the crane, to admire and see his beautiful feathers. Yes, see the answer over here. The peacock spread his own colorful tail to show off the crane to see and admire. See, I am repeating the answer again. The peacock spread his own colorful tail to show off the crane to see and admire. Okay? Okay, student? Yes. Now the second question. Second question is, what did the crane compare the peacock to? To whom did he compare? Yes, to the other cocks. Why? Why he told him like that? You are like other cocks? Because the peacock, he cannot fly, isn't it? The crane, he has got a dull feathers, but what he can do? He can fly high up in the sky above the clouds and stars. Can the peacocks fly? No. So the crane has compared the peacock with the other cocks. Okay, student? Got the second question also? Now the third one. Third one is, how did the crane react to the peacock's criticism? Criticism means he was telling, now you have got pale color, you look so dull. No? Like that he was telling to crane. So how did the crane react to him? See the crane. What did he do? He agreed. Yes, Baba, I am. What he's telling? I have got pale feathers. My feathers are dull. He's telling him like that. See, I'll read the answer. The crane agreed with the peacock, isn't it? He agreed that his feathers were pale. Pale means dull. He's telling, yes, I agree with you. Whatever you're telling, I agree. I accept. Yes, my feathers are pale. But added that he could fly high above among the clouds and stars. Yes, what he's telling? I've got my pale, what? Pale feathers. But what can I do? I could fly high above among the clouds and the stars. Isn't it? The crane, he can fly. He could see the, what else he's telling? He could see the beauty of the earth in all its glory. Yes. What he's telling? He can see all the beauty. Whatever he can see. He's telling that I can see all the beauty of the glory. Glory means very beautiful things he can see. He can see the rivers, lakes, trees, animals, everything he can see from the sky. While, and what he's telling to the peacock, see, while the peacock lived down there just like an other cocks. You're just, what are you doing? You're just over here like the other cocks. Can you fly? No, you can't see the beauty of the world. You just roam here and there only. But we can see everything from the top. Okay? Okay, student, got this answer? Yes. Now we'll go to the fourth answer. Now see what is the fourth question. Okay. What tells us that the peacock was extremely boastful? Means very proud. Okay. Now I'll read the answer. The peacock spreads its shiny feathers in all color of the rainbow for crane to see and admire. Yes, how is showing us off? The peacock, he spreads his tail. I have shown you in the picture yesterday only. His tail, it's down. When it is closed, when he opens the tail, how it shines. The feathers, they shine like a rainbow color. Yes, and what he is doing? He is showing his feathers to whom? Yes, anyone? Yes, very good. To the crane. And what is telling? What is telling to the crane? That see and admire my beautiful feathers. See, I've got such a beautiful feathers. Does any bird have like my feathers? No. So he feels very proud, okay? And he also compared it to the crane's pale feather. Yes, he also, see how he's telling that, see your pale feathers, how they look in front of my beautiful, my shiny feathers. And what else he's telling to the crane? He added that he was dressed like a king. Yes, he's telling, see how the king dress. Isn't it the king dress? Very beautiful dresses they have, na? So he's comparing himself, his feathers with the king's dress. Yes, see my feathers, they are like a king dress. How the king wear his dresses with all jewelry, all diamonds, all they wear, na? Like that. How the king dress look, like that only my feathers are. In this way, he was extremely what? Boastful. Yes, he is very proud of his feathers. Okay, student, these 4 questions were remaining. I have given you this 4 question. Now web. Now you have to complete this web also, student. Okay, you have to make this web. Okay, now see, I have written, mention the adjective used for peacock and crane. You have to write the adjective. Okay, see, I have taken peacock and crane. For first, I am doing peacock. Now what are the adjective used for the peacock? Yes, concited. First one is concited. Second is gorgeous. And the third one is colorful. Yes, all these are the adjective word for crane. And the last one is the crane. Now only 2 adjectives are there for crane. That is colorless and the second one is the dull. Okay, see, peacock have how many adjective words? Which are those? Concited, second is gorgeous and third is colorful. Only 3 adjectives are there for whom? For the peacock. Okay. And for crane, how many are there? For crane, there are only 2. Which are those? Colorless and the second one is dull. Okay, student, got this much? Or should I revise the 5th question? Which question do you want? Any question? No, na? Got this much? The lesson over here, the poem or short story is completed over here. Okay, only these many questions were remaining. So I have given you these questions. Okay, students? Thank you.